Welcome to this complete line tutorial on how to connect signals from the field to the control level with universal I/Os. Moritz is here to show me concrete solutions for this task. Hello Moritz.
Hello Sascha.
Moritz, signal conditioning has developed over the years, and meanwhile we also use solutions that are supporting standard I/O card requirements. A new plant concept with decentralized unit packages and universal I/Os has become a game changer. Can you give us an insight?
Sure, Sascha. Compared to standard I/O systems, universal I/O systems offer the possibility that they can process any signal that you would expect in a process plant. In classical structures, you would have big marshalling cabinets where the signals are sorted by its type. This is no longer necessary with universal I/O systems. Once you know which type of signal you have and which requirements you have, you can easily configure each channel of your universal I/O system. And if something changes again, you can easily change the configuration. The whole system's intelligence is also brought closer to the field. And this is the introduction of universal I/O cabinets to the process industry. Altogether, we can summarize that universal I/O reduces the cost over project time and the hardware that is necessary by at the same time increasing the flexibility.
So does universal I/O meet all customer requirements then?
Universal I/O systems are great, but they truly have some limitations. For instance, everything is based on a 24-volt DC system. So if we have requirements above 24 volts, like 120 or 230 volts, this cannot be solved by the universal I/O system itself. Same counts for the current. There is a current limitation in the system. And when we take a closer look to process industrial applications, we can find places where potentially explosive atmospheres are. And therefore, you need specific devices to handle these requirements. And everything that I've said would usually be solved in the so-called interface level. So we took these requirements and the universal I/O approach and then designed this solution, the flexible I/O marshalling solution, VIP I/O marshalling.
That's awesome. I'm curious, which products do I need for this?
Okay, everything starts with a base element. This is where the field wiring is connected to, like your sensors or actuators. We have these connection points here. And then we have different types of base elements, like for 8 channels or 16 channels. And there you can plug your IOAs on. IOA stands for Input-Output Accessory, and that are these devices here that you can see here. They are ranging from simple terminal blocks up to highly complex signal conditioners with intrinsically safety. Everything combined now needs to be connected to your universal I/O system, and this is done via a system cable. And this is a flexible I/O marshalling system.
Can you summarize the advantages of this solution for us again?
Flexible I/O marshalling systems are the trailblazers for universal I/O systems. They can eliminate design dependencies by decreasing your costs, decreasing your project time, decreasing your project risks, and at the same time increasing your flexibility to a never-seen-before level in process industry. So make your universal I/O system truly universal with VIP I/O marshalling.
Thanks a lot, Moritz. So, using universal I/Os for signal conditioning in the process industry is definitely a convincing solution for more efficiency and reduced wiring effort. Of course, it is not our only solution for this task. If you want to know more solutions for connecting signals from the field to the controller, take a look at our other videos. You can find the links below in the description. Be there when complete line meets process.